Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I have got a couple of mail unboxing, which I've already opened it, sorry, but a couple of shout outs to some channels and show you a couple of items that I won on two different lives. So the first one I got in the mail, oh, I was really excited to get this one. I got this from Creekside Maples 2K giveaway, and in it, what I won was this is the most awesome thing. No, it's not wine. This is actually a really great container it's in. But I will put the link to everybody's channel in the description, so please go check them out. They're awesome people. Creekside Maples. This is 32 ounce of pure vanilla. Oh my gosh, this is just awesome. This is really, I think I'll have this for the next 10 years probably. But I also wanted to give a shout out to the channel that sent it to me. A nice little note in here. You guys definitely have to check them out. They sent an awesome note and magnet and Lazy Days with Jesse and Lisa. Thank you so much, guys. This is awesome. This is one of the best giveaways I've ever got. But Lazy Days. But I'll put their link in the description also. But oh, thank you so much. And I love this little, I almost fell too. I love this little container here that if I ever wanted to send somebody something, I can reuse this. So that's awesome too. And the second one here, I'm really excited because I only expected one thing that I won. And it's Ugly Dog Lures. If you guys don't have them, you definitely better go check them out. This was the particular lure right here. This thing is awesome. He actually painted that live on his live stream. If you can see it really good here. It is a really awesome pink lure. But in it, he also sent a couple more. There's one. I did not expect this, Goose. Thank you so much for the extra. And there is another one. This one right here I actually won at the rendezvous, so I have another one to add to my collection. I'm excited. I'm going to try to use this one this weekend. Here's the sticker. Awesome sticker. Ugly Dog Lures. They have lives on, I believe, Tuesday evening. So does Creekside Maples. And check them out because they do a lot of fun stuff on their live, and they also have some really great singing. She's an awesome singer. So that is all I have today. My stickers should be here to me tomorrow. So everybody that gave me an email, sent me an email or a message, I will get everything out, and then I got extras going out to everybody else. So I appreciate you guys watching. See you on my next video. Ciao.